for you today. Today, we're going to talk about pronouns. Isn't that exciting? Let's go learn what pronouns are. Pronouns are the words used in place of nouns. You remember what are nouns? Nouns were names of places, persons, things. So whatever word you use in place of a noun is a pronoun. Let's look at some examples. For a male or a boy or a man, you use the word he. For a female, a girl, a woman or a lady, you use the word she. Let's look at another example. For a place, animal or a thing, you use the word it. And the last example is for more than one person, you use the word they. So you have he, she, it and they. Let's look at an example now. We have this is Jack. He is playing basketball. So in the first sentence, this is Jack. Jack is the boy we are talking about. That is the name of the boy. So that makes it a noun. To replace the noun in the second sentence, we use the word he. Let's look at the example again. He is playing basketball. So if we did not use the pronoun, the example would sound something like this. This is Jack. Jack is playing basketball. So that sentence would be incorrect because we are using the noun Jack over and over again. So to put it simply, let's replace the word Jack in the second sentence with the word he. And you have the perfect combination of sentences. Let's look at another example. We have Gia is buying fruits. She loves shopping. So Gia is the girl we are talking about in these two lines. Gia is the noun in the sentence Gia is buying fruits. In the second sentence, we have replaced Gia with the word she. So the sentence becomes she loves shopping. Shall we look at another example? The next example we have is Mr. and Mrs. Sharma are old. They are feeding the birds. So Mr. and Mrs. Sharma are two people. So we cannot use he and she. But in place of that, we use they. They are feeding the birds. I hope you understood these examples. Why don't you go ahead and try some exercises with your teacher, your friends or your parents. I'll see you in the next class. Bye-bye kids.